This is Pearl, our 3 and 4 bedroom paired homes. They start at just under 1,600 square feet to just over 1,700 square feet. Come take a look at the Plan 3. This floor plan offers a 2-car attached garage and a main level bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Come take a look into the open concept second level. This level combines the great room, kitchen and dining space, great for entertainment. All of our Pearl homes offer the Insignia design packages with quartz countertops, tile backsplashes, and all of the appliances are included. All the homes have ample amounts of storage and this wonderful covered patio. On this level, there's a powder room for guests when entertaining. We have additional bedrooms on the 3rd floor. Convenient laundry room, adjacent to 2 secondary bedrooms and a shared secondary bath. Let's take a look at this oversized primary suite with walk-in closets, and ensuite bathroom. Now open daily for tours. Discover your dream home and be part of this exciting future that awaits at Eastvale Square.